Hello and welcome. We are going to share the secret for the Windows PC optimization. Let's go. Speed up the Windows system and clean all the junk files safely with the AWZ PC Cleaner. This is a powerful optimizer. So you Windows PC, let's see it in action. Let me show you the secret of this incredible tool. We have full scan, deep clean up the fragment, large file mover, up migration, duplicate files mover, job cleanup, PC buster. That is the thing that we want, especially if you are a gamer. System optimizer, let's run the stand now. This is the result. We have all of this to start speed of the system. We found duplicate files or a help to move large files to another potential USB drive or whatever, or even application migration. This is awesome. Imagine that installed all the application on the C drive, but the C drive there is not enough space and I want to move the entire application. Well, with this tool we can do it. Let's run the PC Buster right now. I want to optimize my PC. He found some storage application, an Edge, other application, Edge update, and a backup system. Let me optimize. Oh, C writings is already optimized, so he disabled unnecessary storage application to boost the performance when I boot the computer. There is more system optimizer. Look at that. Well, if you are a gamer, maybe you don't want your PC to be your starter while you are playing, so, well, disable the Windows Update, for example, and there is a lot of things that just enable the thing that you want to activate. That's it. Or we can run a rescan in order to find some optimization things. It's already optimized, so there is no more Windows Update while I'm playing. And this is just a small example of the power of this software. For example, let me go to File Mover. Well, as you know, let's download picture, music, video. Your favorite are in one place on the C drive. Well, for example, the downloads, I can click on Manage. The Z already moved to the E drive. Well, in this case, this computer have a E drive. Oh, why not? Let's move large file, for example. Well, he found, during the scan, those videos that actually are on the channel. I invite you to watch these amazing videos. Well, let's migrate. That's it. I free up 1 gig of space on my C drive. And now are already migrated to this location. Of course, you can always change the location. Also, check out the migration history. Or why not to run a deep cleanup? Look at this. In the case of this computer, it's going to clean up a lot of things that, occupy a space on my C drive. Well, after the scan, he found all of this and just run on clean. And the computer is going to be faster than before. Just matter to wait. Already free up some space and remove unnecessary thing. That UPC have a lot of duplicated files. Don't worry, just run the scan. Find out using this category like video, music, documents, pictures, archive, installers, others, or just select all. Look at that. On documents, he found 2 duplicate documents. Let me clean. Or let me select the item, of course. So from clean, done. There is more. Pictures. Okay. Let's select everything and just clean. Done. So no more duplicated file. There is a great application to clean your PC to speed it up. But look at this. Look at this thing that we found over here. So, we found this. He detects certain application running. Look at that, so we can, for example, say that all this stuff boss now. Is starting to boss. You see, zone the speed up. Here reclaim almost 2 gigs of RAM. That is good, especially for gamer. And now you can see on real time 19% of memory utilization according to the task manager from Windows. This is AWZ PC Cleaner, a great tool to optimize your PC to clean, the files that you forgot that are roaming around your PC, consuming your valuable hard drive. One important thing, do you remember the files that we moved? Where are they? Well, here, File Explorer. In my case, it's the e-partition. On this folder is where he put the application. I didn't move any application yet, but there are my files. This is quite interesting. Look at this. Right click, create duplicate files. That means that is going to look for this file on the entire drive. Of course, he found a duplicate file. Is going to offer you just to clean up to save a space. How wonderful is that, eh? Wow. And of course, you can customize the destination of the file mover. For example, do you remember how I moved the downloads? Well, there are all the downloads, not here on my C drive, are now here in this folder. But wait, when you just click here, you can change the location, as simple as that. Right guys, this is another great software from awzword.com. Go download the incredible PC Cleaner to enjoy as much as we do. And many thanks to AWZ Word to trust in time to videos, the channel. Stay tuned for more videos and see you on the next one.